So I would say, in a broader sense, whichever the government comes, women's issues need to be addressed. For example, at the moment, we don't have a women's rights bill. We have ratified the CEDAW Convention, but it has not been converted to a law. There are NGOs that are working, NGOs are working, the ministry is working, but all these units, not just to evaluate the CEDAW report, but they need to come together in terms of bringing in action for women's issues in terms of sexual abuse, in terms of cyber harassment for women, in terms of sexual issues that happen at workplaces, in terms of, I would say, teen pregnancy, malnutrition, then maternal mortality rates, then in terms of women entrepreneurship, then gender discrimination, public harassment to women. All these things are severe issues that face women. And also in terms of healthcare, now we talk about maternity leave. What about paternity leave? Nobody talks about these factors. So, and also about educating the children, the pivotal role that women play in educating children while being career mothers. Women are mothers, they manage their household plus their career. So in terms of establishing and giving more support to women, in terms of opening more daycares, in terms of opening more creches, so things like that. How do we support this woman how do we mobilize this woman to come into a more decision making, to participate more in governance? So I think the state per se has a pivotal role in supporting this woman. If women are not supported, women cannot, because women has to balance multiple roles. Doesn't mean women are incapable. Women can, but women hold a greater fort. No, I'm not discounting the fact of a man, but women hold this. But together with that, there can be a pivotal role in the whole decision-making process. But the state also, to a larger extent, needs to support these women. So in terms of, now we have the Women's Charter, but the women's commissions need to be established. The bills of rights for women, all those things, regulations need to be, I would say, far more stronger and looking to strengthen the woman.